National Tourism Development Plan of President Ferdinand Marcos Jr., gastronomy tourism is identified as a priority tourism product, especially recognizing that 34% of travelers around the world prioritize gastronomy as one of the reasons for traveling. Since we recognize the necessity of elevating Filipino food to a global competitiveness level, the Department of Tourism supports festivals such as this that highlight the talent of our local chefs, give opportunities for international chefs to be introduced to local gourmands, and engage in collaboration with our national and local governments in order to ensure that we're able to push forward the overall food tourism portfolio of the country. Most importantly, we recognize that gastronomy tourism not only supports our chefs, but also our farmers, our fishermen, our local communities, and creates added livelihood and employment opportunities for our fellow Filipinos.
For my last question, there is going to be a first UN Tourism Regional Forum on Gastronomy to be held here in Cebu this month. So what are we going to expect?
The Philippines is privileged to host the very first United Nations Tourism Regional Gastronomy Forum for Asia Pacific. With this, Filipino food will be brought to the forefront of the global consciousness as the next big thing in gastronomy tourism. And therefore, we are very excited to give opportunities to our world-renowned chefs as well as our regional chefs to put their best foot forward and highlight Filipino food as well as Filipino produce, and also obtain insights from the speakers that we'll be inviting from all over the world, as well as ministers from various nations in order to engage in partnerships and collaborations overall, so that the Philippine gastronomy portfolio is given an opportunity to succeed in conjunction with the ASEAN nations gastronomy portfolio as well, as we see this as a welcome opportunity to engage in collaboration with our ASEAN neighbors who have also already succeeded in forging a path for gastronomy tourism. Hi, una sa tanan, ang Subo Mangyud ang nag-una sa turismo sa Pilipinas. Tungod kay nakahimo sa gayon ang atong provincial government and our local government units dinhi. Governor Gwen Garcia has done a very wonderful job at making sure that Cebu is able to diversify its tourism offerings. Not only is Cebu famous for its world-class beaches and mountainscapes, but it is also now very well known for its immense biodiversity, as can be seen in our sardine run in Malboal, our treasure sharks in Malapascua, our whale sharks in Oslo, and of course, emerging would be our heritage and pilgrimage destinations from Argao to Karkar, Talisay. Of course, you have destinations that are also able to offer world-class offerings such as Carmen Safari. So what Cebu has is a diverse tourism offering that ensures that it is able to cater to all types of tourists, from families, solo travelers, adventure seekers, and the like. And the good thing is that Cebu is further diversifying in the sense that it is now also recognized as one of Asia's leading wedding destinations. And this opens Cebu up to a whole other market, such as India. And we are hopeful that with a partnership between the local governments as well as the national government, we will be able to strengthen further Cebu's portfolio, especially on the aspect of English as a second language, as well as hopefully soon cruise tourism, especially with the support of Cebu City Mayor Raymond Garcia. So we're very optimistic about Cebu, and we view it as really a major gateway for tourism in the country, especially with its award-winning Cebu International Airport. Lamig tayo. Ang pagkaon nga akong natilawan din karong gabi una o makatandong kaayo sa kasing-kasing na ang atong mga giila na mga sudan o pagkaon na elevate yun, no, in a manner makaingon sa yung nga Cebu is able to offer world-class dishes that can compete with any world-renowned destinations for food tourism globally. And so I'm really grateful to the organizers of the Cebu Food and Wine Festival, led by its visionary chair, Kate De Chanco Anzani, and their board members. New Star has been such a wonderful host to this festival, and we feel that with this effort that is being done to elevate the quality of Filipino food overall, and Cebuano food in particular, we really would be able to harness the potential of food tourism as one of the anchors of the overall Philippine tourism strategy. Ang akong ilamian pagmaayo, ang tanan. Morang akong i-encourage ang tanan nga natin karon nga ayaw na lang mo makaon ugma. Daghan kayo inyong makaon karon. Ug ilawig yun kada usa nga mga dishes kay gikan sa kadagatan hangtod sa kabukiran, hangtod sa syudad. No? Cebu Food and Wine Festival has managed to present a representation of each of these strengths that make up the overall Cebuano landscape.
Thank you, everyone.
Salamat.
Salamat.
All right, thank you so much. There you have it, everyone. That ends our exclusive preview for you of the tasting experience that everyone will get.